What's up, everybody? This is my YCF pit bike that we won for a draw. Pretty sick, a little bit money. Only a few mods. Took out the spark arrestor, took off these few graphics, put on this Yamaha bar pad. But yeah, we're gonna go ride some trails. Let's head down the road. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start up the bike here. Cruise down. Maybe practice some wheelies. I didn't have the button on. Just to let you guys know, I did fast forward this process because it's just me riding to the entrance of the windmill, which I'm riding at with the trails. Just to let you know, all the trespassing signs say no trespassing, but I do have permission to go on all these trails. No fucking way! Dude, if I had my shotgun right now! If I had my fucking shotgun right now! Wait, is there no? I think that one in the back is a Tom. Yeah, it is. There's a few Toms there, holy shit. There's two. Not any big ones, I've seen bigger. Yeah, here's the big ass windmill. Let's just go through the other entrance. Oh. Things don't got no fucking reverse. Because the other entrance is cooler anyway. Go to this one minute gravel road, and we'll have more options. Get like 5 trails. It's just the easy way. Gotta clean up my... Oh. I don't want it to flood. Probably take a picture and check, but actually I am gonna do that just to make sure you guys aren't too muddy, which you guys aren't, thank God. All right, let's get this thing back on the road. But she's in second gear. Oh my God. Here we go. Can we go up there? No, okay, later. We'll come back. We got multiple other trailers. I don't know if you can get back into this trail. I want to go into it through this way, but I know you can get to a trail, so. And I can get to the other creek, side of the creek, but if I want, I can go to the other openings. We're going around all this. Oh, fuck, we're already much flying back up. Oh, slick. Holy shit. I want to slide out. I am frog. Holy one. They shouldn't have put such a big, like, weird fender on it because there's like all the mud supplies. Alright. I've been on that trail, but it's way too bumpy today, it looks like. Can you reach that other trail through here? No, you can't. We're gonna have to go to the other entrance. Should I run it through his farm? I don't think you'll mind. You just won't recognize me by my house. That's the problem. If Cole's there, it's fun. He'll recognize me. He knows I'm a dirt bike guy. Oh shit. Muddy. That's just another little wheelie. Bro, that thing's not even moving. What gear am I in? That road once when I got back here with the quad. Like, this was way before I actually got this pit bike. And I was like, we went through that guy's house visiting me. We got stopped him and stuff. Really found we actually opened up the field test. Because if you can actually go on, because it's a power line road. But then the other stuff is like private property, but I know the owner, so we're good on that. No, I'm not gonna ride through the ditch. That ditch was a little deep. like one of those bucker trails. So I ain't riding that on a pit bike. Oh shit, where should we go? We're gonna get to the pure gravel. I haven't been down the right way yet. I don't feel like going somewhere I don't know. Alright, up here there's another turn. Since I haven't taken the left way, we're gonna take the left way. Oh wait, no, we're not taking the left way, that goes to the field. I'm done. I could move down that road. Not 30, buddy. Ooh, I think the coast is actually around here. I don't know, should I go to there? And I'm also gonna have to come back out this way because I can't go through that one ditch. Over up through here. Because if I go down here, I can either take the right, I think. Or something like that. Takes me to the ditch. Yeah, takes me to the ditch. Just that, but I don't know. I don't have a way to get across, which is the problem. It's up here, yeah. This is the ditch. This is the creek. This is my only way to get across unless I pick a different way. I don't know. Can I actually get across? Probably. Maybe. You're really hard to get back. That's the problem. Oh, we gotta turn around.
The audio in this clip for some reason just got like corrupted. Maybe it's because it's like kind of like a haunted forest, but after I got out of the forest, the video just like randomly had audio. So I'm just gonna skip ahead here.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. We had a fun time riding through the trail, going up the Cookie Hill. And then, yeah, this is... Cut off the bike. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Fun little video. That's my new pit bike. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace out.